Ooh. Are we good?
Yep.
Can we start?
Let's go for it.
Oh.
Oh, that's definitely yours.
Custard cream.
This is definitely mine.
Do you know what it is? Rice Krispie treat.
Rice Krispie treat.
That's right.
It's rice and it's crispy and it's a treat. Custard cream, just because they're English, they should win. I beg to differ. That's good though. I think this one's.
They definitely win.
Very one.
Easy.
Okay.
I knew there was gonna be Twinkies.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's marshmallow. Oh, that's lovely. I haven't had a Twinkie
Put your finger in
in.
that one.
No, I'll put it in my own. Oh, I haven't had a Twinkie in years. I think UK takes the one. This one.
Yeah, this actual cream's really nice.
Oh! That almost got in my eye. 3, 2, 1.
Brown.
Flamin' hot Cheetos.
Which ones? The red ones.
What do you think?
What are they?
What is that?
Cigarettes.
I already know they're going to be awful.
Oh,
Tastes burnt.
you know what that tastes like?
Yeah,
Something that falls off the bottom of a grill.
They're going to be absolutely like dead spicy.
No. Well. Kicks in late. Woo! Feel the burn? You feeling it?
I am now.
Can you edit this where like flame comes out of the mouth? But the Twinkie tastes like burnt chicken bits.
But these still.
We're going for taste. I vote Flamin' Hot
To be
Cheetos.
fair, I'll go Flaming Hot Cheetos, but I can only eat one. So the packet will be in the fridge in the cupboard for a while.
Well done.
Ding! Easy. Jammy Dodger. They look like some
Have
out of Crystal
you
Maze.
ever had a gusher?
They have to go around.
That's an explosion in your mouth. The cookie biscuit wins.
Jammy Dodger. Bam.
Sour Patch Kids!
You might like them. Do you know what they are?
I like sour things. No.
Rhubarb and custards.
I stuck in my teeth.
Well, maybe that's a downfall.
Good
They
time
stick in your
waster.
teeth and they break your teeth.
Yay, can't wait.
You haven't even tried.
I can taste that. Is this supposed to be sour?
You've not even had it in 10 seconds.
I don't like that. Nope. Trash. In the bin. Sour Patch Kid. In the mouth. Oh, crisps. Or in the US, chips.
They better be pickled onion.
What's this thing?
Unbelievable. Monster Munch.
Okay, these are Doritos. Ranch Doritos? Ranch Doritos.
Right, pick one wisely.
Well, I just put my finger in one, so.
Smell it.
Cheers.
How nice is that? Smell it. Dead strong. Ready? Go.
Oh my god!
Why are you so dramatic?
It's gross.
It's not.
Ugh.
That wins.
No,
I'm not giving in.
I'm not giving in. Did you see my face? Did you see your face when you ate the ranch Dorito? You're
Yeah,
like, I could eat this in my spare time.
So dramatic.
Wow.
Have another.
Would you like to finish those? Because I don't. They're very aggressive.
Them and Space Raiders. Aliens' heads. I'm going.
Can we get that